Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. So, this is day three TCS Advanced Quant Logical Previous Year questions we will discuss in this today's session. So, let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes, guys, so that YouTube will send the notification to all our subscribers and they will also will join. And meanwhile, I would like to ask you the question, whoever in the live session, please let me know when you got the examination date, guys. So, when is your examination of TCS on campus? So, whoever in the live, please respond in the chat. And once the notification is sent to all our subscribers, immediately I will start the session. So, meanwhile, you guys can interact with me. Yeah, just now YouTube sent the notification. So, let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes and people will join and we will start the session, guys. So, meanwhile, you can talk or you can express your doubts related to your TCS on campus, guys. No one have any doubts? No doubts? Guys, at least please let me know this. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? And when is your TCS examination? Please let me know in the chat. So I hope the mic is also fine. So 12th November, right? So guys, according to the survey we did, so TCS on campus for our students are the across the India, we got the dates like 12th, 13th, and 14th November. So these 3 dates, a lot of people having examinations on slot wise. So today is 10th. Already we did the TCS NQT preparation series on numerical ability and reasoning ability. And today we are doing on advanced quantum logical. And guys, in the night today, 9 p.m., we are doing advanced coding live as well. Why? Because we have a very less time, so that I would like to interact with the more students. I would like to solve their questions in a coding section as well. So today 9 p.m. in the night we are doing live session on coding. Now we will discuss about advanced quantum logical topics. So you have around 25 minutes and they will give only 15 questions. So guys, again, if you want to get selected for 7 LPA or 9 LPA roles, definitely the kingmaker or decision maker is advanced section only. If you able to clear the advanced quantum logical with along with coding, you have a high chances to get selected for TCS digital role and prime roles. So the primary section, which is foundation section, is for TCS ninja role. So please take care of this. You have only 15 questions and you have 25 minutes of time. So which means the questions are a bit lengthy. But when I said when coming to the difficulty level, I can say it is medium only if you know the background concepts very well. Okay. So without any further delay, let's get started. And also like the video and follow our all social media handles. Those are given in the description of the video and in the live chat we have provided. So soon the off-campus season is about to start. So getting the information is very important. Follow our Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram channels so that you will never miss any hiring updates. Okay. So let's start with, let me increase the volume. Okay. Let's start with the first question from the advanced quant. The first question is they are saying 8 liters are drawn from a cask full of wine and is then filled with the water. This operation is performed further 3 more times. The ratio of the quantity of wine Now left in the cask to the water is 16 is to 65. How much wine the cask hold originally? Guys, this is the one of the important model question we always say in the our training or in our live sessions. I'll always say to the students that this type of model questions are very important. Why? Because they have regularly asking from the allegations and mixtures. For this type of problems, whenever they said the amount left in the cask, or this concept is called replacement. Okay, replacements of the liquids. Whenever you have a replacement of the liquids, the formula is left quantity is equal to y into 1 minus x by y whole power n. So this is how you need to design the problem. Okay, so how to do this problem, I will tell you. I have to write this ratio in terms of x by y power n, so that I will get the x values and y values easily. This is what you need to do. So actually this is called application problem in reverse way. So those who know this formula, actually in a basic problems, what we will do is we will use this formula and we will conclude the answer. But here what they did is they have given the answer, you have to find the original origin. So it's in a reverse direction. So very simple, follow me for this problem, which is nothing but 16 divided by 65, right? So wine is 16 units and water is 65 units. So what is the total liquid? Total liquid is nothing but wine plus water, right? So total 81 units. So wine left 16 units out of 81 units. This is how I need to design the problem. Here y is nothing but total quantity. Total quantity means liquid, 81 units. X is nothing but how much left, 16 units. Okay, so let's rewrite this in 1 minus x by whole power n format. 16 by 81 can be written as 2 power 4 divided by 3 power 4, which is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 4. Why I have written in terms of 4 is nothing but, just look at here. N is nothing but how many times you replaced. So here 8 letters are drawn first, then it is repeated for 3 more times. So total replacement was done in 4 times. So that's why I have written 2 power of 4. So n value is 4. Now 2 by 3 whole power 4 we left, right? How can I write this in terms of 1 minus x by y? Which is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 3 whole power 4. I can design this, right? So my agenda is I want to make the answer into original form. Whenever I write the answer into the original form, I can find x and y values easily. So the answer is 1 minus 1 by 3 whole power 4. What is 1 and 3? I will tell you. X is 1 unit and y is 3 units. What is x means? How much? If you know this formula, you can know about x, right? X is nothing but how many letters you are replacing. Here x value is 8. If x value is 8, then what will be the y value? So 1 will be multiplied by 8. So 3 also will multiplied by 8. Why? Because in the numerator x is 8 they have given. If x is 8, y will be 24. So the answer is simply 24. Y is nothing but total quantity in the cask or container, whatever it may be. So this is how you need to design the problem, guys. Actually, this is advanced question. Why? Why? Because they're not asking in a straightforward direction. They're asking in a reverse direction. You need to know about this formula. Replacement is equal to, okay, replacement is equal to y into 1 minus x by y whole power n. X is nothing but how many letters are replacing each time. How many times the operation is completed, that is n. Y is nothing but a total quantity. So x is 8, then y will be 3 units, right? So 1 is to 3 ratio. If x is 1, y is 3. So x is 8 letters, then y is 24 letters. Answer is 24. Like this, we have to do the problem. I hope you understood this problem. So whenever you see this type of problems, please follow these instructions only so that you can complete the problem in less than 5-6 minutes. Sorry, in 2 to 3 minutes. And even if you have a good practice, you can be complete this in 1 minute itself. Why? Because we have 25 minutes for 15 questions. So for few questions you can spend 1 minute. For few questions you have a time of 2 minutes to spend also. Okay. So let's dive into the next problem. And those who came to the live, again I'm saying in the live session itself, guys, you will have coding session at 9 p.m. today, advanced coding session for TCS NQT. Those who have an examination this week, please attend the 9 o'clock session as well, so that you will get a idea how to do the problems on campus. Okay, just look into the next problem, that is advanced quantity. The problems based on a quant. When the list price of an article is fixed 30% above the cost price. Okay. So whenever I have this type of problems, guys, I will never read data again and again. I will note down the rough work. Okay. So list price is 30% above the cost price. I don't know about the cost price. Okay. So list, if the cost price is 100 rupees, list price will be 130. This is how I'll write my rough work. And while selling the same object at the discount of X percent. Okay, they are selling at some X% discount. I don't know. The selling price is a question mark. Next, what else? The profit percentage is 80% of that. Okay, here, how to know profit? Profit will know when SP minus CP known. Already I know CP, that is approximately 100 rupees I am assumed, but I don't know selling price. So let's wait for time being and continue the question. And the profit is 80% off. So here they are saying profit is 80% off. What? When list price is fixed to 125% above CP. Okay. There is another situation is given, guys. This is what application problems will be called as in advanced quant. So another cost price, for example, I am saying 100 rupees. List price is fixed 25% above. Means list price is equal to 125 rupees. 25% above. And the discount is 16%. Guys, how can you find 16%? Don't calculate 16% of 125 directly. 16% means 10% plus 5% plus 1%, right? So that easily you can find. What is 10% of it? 12.5 percentage. What is 5%? Half of 10%, right? Which is nothing but 6.25. What is 1%? 1.25. 0.25 is nothing but 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but 1. So 36910 and remainder is 1. So here 20. So 16% of 125 is 20. So if I give discount, it will be reduced from list price. So my selling price will be 105 rupees. What is the value of X? Okay. So just look at here, guys. What is the final output we have? The profit percentage is 80% of the profit, which means here I have cost price 100 rupees. I sold it for 105 rupees. So my profit is 5%. Sorry, 5 rupees. 5 rupees. But in the first case, The profit is 80% of it. 80% means what? 4 by 5. Why? Because 1 by 5 is 20%. So 4 by 5 is 80%. So 80% of 5 is nothing but 5 will 5 and cancel. So answer is 4. So here profit is equal to 4 rupees according to the problem. Guys, just look at here. Profit will be calculated on cost price. We always know, right? So here the selling price is 104 rupees. So the final answer, how to calculate is nothing but we want X value, right? X is nothing but discount. Guys, tell me how much it is reduced. Discount will be calculated on list price. This is a one problem, guys. And trust me, those who know profit and loss about the cost price, selling price, profit, loss, list price, market price, you need to know about everything for the single problem. So this problem is designed in a way that all category concepts is completed in the one problem itself. Okay. So the final thing is I need to find the discount. Discount will be provided on list price. List price is 130 and the selling price is 104. So discount is 26 rupees. 26 rupees is what percentage in the list price? 10 percentage is 13. 20% will be 26 rupees. So the discount is 20%. So in a simplified manner, guys, you have to do this type of problems. Just give me a second. Yeah, if you guys have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I am also looking. I think my internet got delayed. So yeah, I'm looking into the chart now. So it's very, very indirect question. Again, I'm telling you, advanced problems means lengthy, and those are not straightforward questions. That's it. Actually, those are not difficult if you know the background concepts. Here, if you know list price, selling price, cost price, and their relationship, all these are very elementary level calculations. Next, Isha bought two varieties of rice costing 50 rupees and 60 rupees per kg and mixed them in a some ratio. Okay. Then she sold the mixture at 70 rupees per kg, making a profit of 20%. What is the ratio of the mixture? Okay. So here, guys, just look at here. The selling price is equal to 70 rupees and the profit is equal to 20%. Guys, remember, sorry. Guys, remember, when you are doing butterfly diagram, on one side we will keep cheaper value and another side we will keep dearer value. And in between we will keep the mean value, right? Mean value always must be equal to cost price. Okay. But here they have given selling price. If you place 70 rupees here, your answer will be wrong. Okay. Never ever directly put selling price in the middle. Always you need to find the cost price first. How to find cost price? Very simple, which is nothing but selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, right? Cost price is 100%, profit is 20%. So total 120 percentage is the selling price. So 120 percentage is 70. Then 100% will be how much? So you guys, if you watch already our videos, it will be very easy, or else just follow the way we are teaching. Why? Because we can't explain every theory from the scratch while solving the question and answers. Okay. So simply what you have to do is SP is given 70 and profit is given 20%, right? Immediately you have to divide 70 by 120%. Why? Because cost price 100 profit is 20%, so 120 into 100%. Percentage cancel, 0 cancel, and 4 will cancel this 3 times, 4 will cancel this 25 times. So which is nothing but 140 and 175 by 3. Let's design the butterfly diagram. This is the cost price. So cost price is nothing but 175 by 3. One side 50, other side 60, and middle 175 by 3. Don't do hard calculations. You can easily do the calculations without any struggle. Here divide by 3 is there, right? So also keep divide by 3 here. So I can say 150 by 3 is 50. Here also I will divide by 3. So I will multiply by 3, which is 180 by 3. So take the differences. Whenever denominator is same, you can directly differentiate them, right? So 150 and 175 difference is 25 by 3. And 180 and 175 difference is 5 by 3. Ratio means denominators can directly cancel, and the numerator 5 will cancel this 1:5 times. So the answer is 1:5. So option D is correct. So here is the application problem based on allegations and mixtures is nothing but instead of instead of selling price, you need to take cost price. That is the only case you need to remember while doing the problem. Those who did directly take in 70, they will end up with the 1:1 answer. If it is in the options, you may get the wrong answer so that you can't get selected for the high packages. And next, look into the problem based on time, speed, distance related question. Okay. So just look at here. A and B starts from home at 10 a.m. Okay. They're starting from the same point, A and B, 10 a.m. They travel from their house on the MG road at a 20 km per hour and 40 km per hour. So A is 20 km per hour and B is 40 km per hour. There is a junction T on the path. Okay. A turns left at the T junction at 12 noon. So let's first think about A. A at 12 noon, he is at point T, which means from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., he traveled for 2 hours. 2 hours means 40 kilometers is the distance. Simple logical approach I am doing, guys. I am not doing anything. Whatever they are saying, I am drawing the picture so that I will never read the question again and again. Only this type of approaches will save your time. Next, B reaches T earlier. Obviously, B is faster than A, so he will reach early. Guys, just look at here. B speed is 40 km per hour. So he will reach T in 1 hour, right? So A reached in 2 hours, B reached in 1 hour only. Okay, cool. And turns right. Okay. A turns left, B turns right. Both of them continues the travel till 2 p.m. Okay. They started at 10 a.m. and till 2 p.m. they are continuously traveling. Total 4 hours, right? Guys, in 4 hours, already A 2 hours traveled here. So another 2 hours he will complete 40 kilometers. And B in 4 hours, 1 hour completes 40. So rest of the 3 hours again 40, again 40, again 40 he will travel, right? What is the distance between A and B at 2 p.m.? So here it is 40 and here it is 120. Total 160 is the distance between them. So option B is correct. So it's very simple problem. So in the advanced quant, I will tell you out of 15 questions, 10 questions will be easy and 5 questions will struggle you a lot. Okay. Don't stick with the 5 questions. First focus on 10 easy questions and make them correct. Then rest of the time spend on remaining 5 problems, guys. This is my suggestion and tip I will give you for experience from the last few slots and examinations. Okay. And please, rest of the people who have examination, please post your examination date of TCS on campus. And also, there is another question based on DI. Guys, in the advanced quant, data interpretation related questions are very, very important. You need to take care of it. Okay. So please focus on data interpretation more. At least you will see two questions. Total sales from the branch B6 for the both years is what percentage of the total sales of the branch B3 for the both the years? Guys, just look at here. B6 both years means this is the B6. 1 year it is 80 and the another year it is 70. So total 150 is how much percentage in B3? So you have to divide B6 by B3 and into 100%. This is the formula you need to use. This will come by percentages concept easily. Okay. Next, B3 in the 2 years. B3 is here. So I can say here it is 110 and it is between 90 and 100. So 95. So 110 and 95, the sum is 205. So 205 into 100%. I am assuming that 50 will cancel this 3 times, 50 will cancel this 4 times. 3 by 4 is nothing but 75%. So my answer cannot be CD. My answer between A and B. Guys, just assume if the denominator is 200, it is exactly 75. If the denominator is more than 200, my answer will be less than 75 or more than 75. Tell me in the chat. Here I am not doing a blind calculations. I am doing in a smart manner. Nitish, please reach out to your college management. They will help you. If you didn't get the admit card yet, less means the answer is 73.17. Yeah. And also, guys, if you want to get a instant practice for the TCS, you have only 2 days left, right? So in these 2 days, what you guys need to do is practice previous year questions. So in order to get the previous year questions, you can use our Prepinsta Prime. So you can learn all programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and full stack development and advanced skills like all these things. And also, if you want to learn DSC and all, you can learn from here. But here, our special focus for these 2 days is company specific preparation, right? So go to company section and go to the TCS NQT section, and you can see, guys, all the preparation strategies we have given. So what to prepare, how to prepare, we have given entire thing. For example, see how to practice for foundation numeric ability, foundation section reasoning ability, foundation section verbal ability, and how to prepare for advanced quantitative ability, and what are the things you need to prepare for reasoning, and what are the things you need to prepare for advanced coding. So everything we have embedded here, guys. How to prepare, where to prepare, and everything we have given a clear cut idea so that you can accurately prepare for TCS only. You don't have to worry about remaining things. So start practicing from our Prepinsta Prime. Now you will get Prepinsta Prime for very low prices. Why? Because placement season is going on, so that we are making our prices affordable for the students. And for example, 12 months you will get for simply if you use the coupon code KTK Max, you will get a off of 600 rupees and you will get for 3399 rupees. So immediately grab the opportunity. Don't miss this. Similarly, If you want to practice previous questions, come to our prepinsta.com. Go to prepare section, go to all platforms, go to TCS NQT. On the left hand side, you can see all the sections: foundation section, aptitude, verbal, reasoning, advanced section, quantitative ability, reasoning ability, and advanced coding problems. And if you want to practice coding questions also, you can practice with solutions also we are providing. So all these things will definitely help you guys for your preparation. Okay, never miss this opportunity, guys. So without any further delay, let's dive into the other topics. So here I would like to say, let's see the remaining questions in a simplified manner. Again, I'm telling you. Okay, give me a second. I'm looking into the chart. Okay, how many of you waiting for advanced coding video of TCS? Let me know in the chat. Okay, so look into the next problem based on ages. Anu's present age is 9 years from more than the that of what Raj's age will be after 5 years. Okay, let's do these problems in a simple manner. Anu's age is 9 years more than Raj's age after 5 years. After means Raju age will be added by 5. Okay, then wait till 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, we'll come to the live and we'll explain you about the coding questions. Okay, next. Raj's present age is 7 years more than that of what Renu's age was 4 years ago. So Raj age is equal to 7 years more than what Renu's age 4 years ago. Ago means minus 4 years. Renu's present age is 19. Whenever I read the question, guys, I have created the equation, right? This will make me to calculate the answer simply. What people will do, they will read the question twice and thrice and they will end up with the waste of time. So always remember, while you are reading, create the equations or rough work so that you don't get a time, you don't have to revisit to the question. So Renu's present age is 19. So Renu is 19. 19 minus 4 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. So Raju's age is 22. If Raju's age is 22, 22 plus 14, answer is 36. What will be the Anu's age after 5 years? Present age of Anu is 36. After 5 years means 41. It's very simple, right? Next, let's see the problems based on logical reasoning, guys. Why? Because on quantitative aptitude, they will give you out of 15 questions, 78 questions will be depends on quant, and the rest of the 7 questions will be depends on reasoning. Okay, slot to slot, it might vary 7 or 8, 8 or 7, but 50-50% they will share. Okay, so the problems might be little difficult with this type of model. In advanced section, definitely you will get this model, so please practice. In this equation, in the equation, the symbols equal to minus open bracket and some uh, whatever is symbol it is be, and u, it is like looks like y, I will say like n or y, whatever it may be. So here u is nothing but union. Actually this is symbol of union symbol, or use it to the following meaning. Okay, pn, which is nothing but yq, means p is here typo mistake, guys, actually it is not smaller. Okay, so remember, when p is not smaller than q means it is greater than or is equal to. So y symbol is equal to greater than or equal to. Remember this. Okay, so your task is to, whenever you see this type of models, immediately I have to draw the symbol and the corresponding less than or greater than symbol. So not smaller means greater than or is equal to is the symbol you need to use. P equal to Q, equal to means neither greater nor equal. So it is not greater than, it is not equal means it is less than. Equal to means less than. Union symbol is nothing but neither small nor equal, which means greater than simply. Next, open bracket implies not greater. Not greater means less than or equal to. Last but not least, minus symbol reflects neither greater nor small means both are equal. So whenever you see this type of symbols and you need to replace with the corresponding symbols. For this, there is no shortcut, guys. So please, whenever you see this type of word framing, practice them once. Neither greater nor equal. Immediately I have to keep less than. Neither equal, neither greater. Immediately I have to place less than. And neither equal, neither greater, neither smaller. Then immediately keep equal to. Like this, you need to practice. Okay. Next. Now assume the given statements to be true. Find out the two conclusions 1 and 2 are definitely true or not. Okay, let's go with the statement. J bracket n. J bracket means less than or is equal to n. Next, k is equal to n. What is meant by k is equal to n? Is equal to means k less than n, right? So n is greater. So I will write n is greater than k. That means, right, k is less than means n is higher value. So in reverse direction, n will be greater than k, right? Why? Because I am joining them. What is the common element? I am joining them. Next, T and K, which is nothing but y, n dollar. It was n symbol, money currency symbol. It was so, which is T greater than or is equal to K. So T is greater than R. So K is less than or is equal to T. T side I have to draw, right? That's why I write like this. Now, what is the relation between T and J? Guys, remember, if you want to define the relation between two variables, it must be either continuous less thans or equals or less than or equal to must be there. Whenever you have a two opposite symbols of less than and greater than, then you can't decide the relationship between them. For example, see T union J. So T union means greater than J. See, J is less than N, and here I can't continue, right? Here it is came opposite symbol. Means whenever you have a opposite symbol, you can't predict the relation between other peoples also. Even for example, if you feel K and T are equal, and here I pasted T. Here N is more, here N is more, but I don't know J and T relationship. So conclusion 1 is wrong. J is equal to K. Remember, when you have a opposite symbols, you can't equal both. So answer also conclusion 2 wrong. So both are wrong. There is a shortcut called in this. Whenever you face opposite symbols with a continuous sequence, remember, relationship you can't define. Okay. This will comes by practice only. You guys need to practice. Is TCS advanced quantum logical reasoning exam happens in on-campus placement? Yes. All on-campus and off-campus pattern is same for TCS. So advanced round also will happen along with foundation section. Next, the problem depends on blood relations. Guys, when you have a blood relations, for symbol, don't create the relationship, okay? Earlier problem, you have to do like this. For this problem, we don't have to design the relation. Directly go to the question. Q dollar M. What is meant by dollar? Dollar means sister. So Q is sister of M. M dollar P. Dollar means sister. So M is sister of P. P at the rate Q. Sorry, C. At the rate means daughter. So P is daughter of C. C hash H. Hash means wife. So C is wife of H. Wife means H is husband. Next, H and R. Ampersand means son. So H is son of R. R percentage Z. Percent means husband. Husband of Z. So Z is wife. So R and Z children is H, and C and H children are QMP. Okay, this is the relation. R is maternal grandfather of Q. What is meant by maternal? Maternal means which is used for mother side relations, right? But R is father's father. So Q father is H. Father's father is called as paternal grandfather, not maternal. So this is wrong. And they are asking for which is not correct. So option A is correct. Let's verify the remaining for your practice. H is father of Q. Yes. If all are daughters of C, then H is a father. True. Z is mother of H. Z is mother of H. Yes. H father is R. R is married to Z. So mother. Z is mother-in-law of C. Yes. If Z is mother of H is married to C. C mother-in-law is Z. This is how you need to solve the problem of blood relations in an easy manner. Let's look into the next problem. Based on the statement conclusions and data sufficiency, they will ask a lot of questions, guys. So please practice data sufficiency related questions and statement conclusions, statements course of action, statement assumptions, and also I have given you the inequalities, right? These type of inequality related problems and blood relation problems. They will ask you these type of questions for sure in advanced quant. Why? Because they will take more time. Next, the problem is Sushi, a salesperson, was asked by his sales manager to meet one of their high profile client. Due to his ill health, the sales manager was unable to take updates from the Sushi about the meeting, and Susie's phone was also switched off. On which day? See the question. On which day did Sushi meet the client? This is what I need to confirm. The statement is given as Rajni, one of the sales manager colleagues, tells him that Sushi did not visit the client either on Tuesday or Thursday. So, out of 7 days, 2 days they didn't went. So, can you find the exact day in from 5? No, I can't. So, statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Let's dive into the statement 2 alone. We will join them after if 2 is not sufficient. Okay. This is how data sufficiency problems you need to do, guys. Next, Vijay, one of the sales manager's colleague, tells him Sushi visited the client 2 days before. Rajni contacted the client, which was a day after Monday. Okay. Day after Monday is Tuesday, and 2 days before means Tuesday, 2 days before, again Sunday. So I got a conclusion. There is a straight away answer is given by the Vijay. So statement 2 alone, 2 is sufficient to answer the question. You need to choose this option. Here, the question is too much big, so I am able to give the options in a single slide. So that's why I am just writing the answer. Okay. So simple, very simple. Vijay said Susie visited the client 2 days before Rajni. If you know when Rajni went, you will know Susie when she will went, right? When she went. And it is saying that Rajni has contacted them day after Monday. So exact answer they have given. So option 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. And also in the advanced quant, they are asking the questions related to visual reasoning as well for sure. You will see mirror images, water images, paper cuts and folds, and cubes folding, unfolding, and dice and number of triangles. All these type of questions they're asking in TCS. So let's look into the problem. How to do these problems are nothing but first you need to find the opposite faces. The opposite faces are this, which is nothing but, for example, I am writing like this: circle and empty box cannot be together. I already told you in the previous classes, guys. Opposite faces cannot come together. If they come together, it is called invalid cube. If opposite faces didn't came, those are called valid ones. If opposite cannot together, it is a valid one. If you can't see this, then it is a invalid. Next, dot and shaded square. So dot and shaded square cannot come together. If you see this both of them at a time, that is invalid cube. So see, dot and square shaded square I am seeing at the 4. So 4 is a invalid. And a dot and shaded area also I am seeing in 2. So it is also invalid. Next, this is the square and this is also empty square. Two empty squares cannot come together. Here, three empty squares came together means out of these three, two empty squares will be definitely there, right? Why? Because we have only three empty squares. And out of the three, you gave three means two, any or two is opposite. So it is also invalid. So the valid cube possibility is option 1 only. See, circle from here and a dot from here and a square, empty square from here. So all are from different pairs means one is a valid cube. Vaibhav, at least few test cases you need to pass. Then you will be in a safe zone for ninja roll also. Why? Because if other people got a good score than you in the foundation section, then if they also not able to clear the coding round, then you might not be get selected for ninja roll. So overall score also very important, guys. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask me, guys. This is all about advanced quantitative aptitude and logical ability or reasoning ability questions of TCS. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the chat. And at 9 p.m. today, we are coming live for the coding round as well. So please grab this opportunity and try to join the 9 p.m. session as well. And share it to all your friends who want to listen to the coding round. And also use the coupon code KTK Max. Grab the opportunity and get the maximum discount. And 200 plus courses you will get for only one single subscription. And here is our social media handles that you can follow. And if you have any doubt, you can reach to us. And if you are from different year batch students, I suggest go to our off-campus page and go to our Instagram page. You can follow. If you are a 2026 batch students, follow 2026 graduates page. If you are a 2027, follow 2027 page. If you are from 2025, follow 2025. Other graduates, you can follow this as well. So you can click on here and you will redirect our page. Only we will post the hirings related to 2026 batch students only. So you will have a high chances to get more number of updates, guys, immediately. Okay. So that's it from our end. And if you have any doubts, now you can ask me. Yeah, somehow have doubts. Sir, if score really good in a foundation round and do not do good in 15 questions coding, but could not solve any questions in 3 questions, could I get still digital profile? First of all, the coding questions are only two questions they're asking. And if you want to get selected for digital role, at least one question you need to solve. At least one question. Okay, thank you guys. If you're able to solve one and a half question, and if you did it in foundation section very well, you will get a prime role also sometimes. Yeah, we will talk about advanced coding round in the 9 p.m. live session. See you guys at 9 p.m. today. So rejoin again at 9 p.m. Bye bye.